Hey everyone, what we're going to cover today is this phenomenal book by Neville Goddard, Out of This World, Thinking Fourth Dimensionally. And where I'm getting this from is this awesome book here. It's The Power of Imagination, all the Neville Goddard treasury books all in one. You can get this right on Amazon. But this book is called Out of This World, Thinking Fourth Dimensionally from 1949. Let's jump into it here. Okay, just really super critical information and things that have really helped me tremendously. He starts by saying, many persons, myself included, have observed events before they occurred, that is, before they occurred in this world of three dimensions. Since man can observe an event before it occurs in the three dimensions of space, life on Earth must proceed according to plan. And this plan must exist elsewhere in another dimension and be slowly moving through our space. I mean, it's so important here. I mean, when we talk about law of attraction or manifesting and things, what we're really talking about is there's something well beyond this physical plane, right? And if we have any sort of intuition or we've seen things happen before, in our imagination and they came to pass, it must mean that there's like some sort of plan, if you will, energetically elsewhere. Let's go to the second paragraph here. If the occurring events were not in this world when they were observed, then to be perfectly logical, they must have been out of this world. And whatever is there to be seen before it occurs here must be predetermined, from the point of view of man awake in a three-dimensional world. Thus the question arises, are we able to alter our future? So we really want to confidently get into this answer here of can we alter our future, and it would be a resounding yes, absolutely. And it's a good question to ponder. Like, do you really have control of your life? Do you have control over the money that comes in, the success, the relationships, the events, all those good things? Let's go another paragraph in. My object in writing these pages is to indicate possibilities inherent in man, to show that man can alter his future. But thus altered, it forms again a deterministic sequence starting from the point of interference, a future that will be consistent with the alteration. The most remarkable feature of man's future is its flexibility. It is determined by his attitudes rather than by his acts. The cornerstone on which all things are based is man's concept of himself. He acts as he does and has experiences that he does because his concept of himself is what it is and for no other reason. Had he a different concept of self, he would act differently. So this is super important. It's like you don't just work hard to change your future. What you really want to do is get into your determined attitude, your determined energy, and that will start to shape your future in a very, very different way. As you start to get into the energy of what you want more, that is changing your attitude, your thoughts, feelings, and actions all intermingled together in order to alter your future. Hope this makes sense.